side of an aluminium cube is a 4 centimeter. So here I am having one aluminium cube and the side of aluminium cube is 4 centimeter. Find its volume as well as total surface area. So here I am going to find the volume as well as total surface area of this cube. So now only we have studied about the volume of cube. So what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube is side cube. So side value we have given, that is 4 cube. Here I am going to put the value. So 4 means what? 4 the power cube means 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 means 4 we have to multiply 3 times. So here answer will be 64 centimeter cube. Fine. Next we have to find the total surface area. This formula you have to remember, total surface area of cube. So total surface area of cube is 6 side square. So 6 side square means 6 multiply side square. Side square is 4 square. So here you can solve 6 multiply 4 multiply 4. By solving, what you will get? You will get 96 centimeter square. Why here I am using centimeter cube and why here I am using centimeter square? Listen carefully. Here actually I am calculating volume of cube, and cube you can see here, cube is volume is always in a centimeter cube, always in a cubic meter, okay, or cubic centimeter. But here surface area is always in centimeter square or meter square according to the units. Next numerical we are having a tank of length 32 meter and breadth 20 meter is filled with water. For example, this kind of tank we are having, which is having length. So here length of tank is given. Length of tank is equals to 32 meter and its breadth is also given. For example, this is length of tank. This is length of tank 32 meter and this is breadth of tank. Breadth is 20 meter. Fine. So breadth of tank is equals to 20 meter is filled with water. This tank we have to fill with water. So it is filled with water. The depth of the water tank is 2.4. This depth of water is 2.4 meter. We have to calculate the volume of water contained. This volume of water contained in this tank we have to calculate. So here you can see this is given length, breadth and this is given height. So easily we can measure the volume. So what is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is nothing but length multiply breadth multiply height. So just put the values. Length is 32 meter, multiply breadth is 20 meter, multiply height is what? 2.4 meter. So by multiplication, by solving, what you will get? 1536 meter cube as the answer of volume contained in this tank. Water is filled in a measuring cylinder and reading of water meniscus is 48 milliliter. So here water is filled in a measuring cylinder and when we are going to put the water in this measuring cylinder, water meniscus reading is, till this water is filled and this water meniscus reading is 48 ml. When a small copper cylinder is immersed into the water, when we are going to immerse small copper cylinder into the water, the meniscus reading becomes 65.5 ml. So this water level rises up and after rising this level reaches up to 65.5 ml. Fine. So what is the volume of copper cylinder? This volume of copper cylinder we have to find. So now only I have told, firstly we have to check the initial volume. Initial volume V1 is 48 ml. Then we have to check the final volume. Final volume V2 is 65.5 ml. So for measuring the volume of this copper cylinder, volume of copper cylinder is equals to V2 minus V1. So what do you mean? What is the value of V2? 65.5 ml minus V1 is 48 ml. So after subtraction, what you will get? You will get 17.5 ml. If you want to write the answer in centimeter cube also, so instead of milliliter you can write centimeter cube also. So 17.5 centimeter cube. Why I have written instead of milliliter centimeter cube? Because 1 ml is nothing but 1 centimeter cube. So instead of ml you can write centimeter cube also.